Jackals are fascinating creatures. They are members of the dog family. Jackals are found in various parts of the world. They live in Africa, Asia, and southeastern Europe. Jackals prefer open grasslands and savannas. They can also live in deserts and mountainous areas. They are very adaptable animals. This means they can live in different environments. Jackals are mostly active at night. They communicate with each other through various sounds. These sounds include howls, barks, and yips. These sounds are important for communication. There are different species of jackals. The most common species is the golden jackal. Golden jackals are found in North Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. They have a distinctive golden-brown coat. Another species is the black-backed jackal. Black-backed jackals are found in eastern and southern Africa. They have a black saddle on their back. This makes them easy to identify. Side-striped jackals are found in central and southern Africa. They have white stripes on their sides. This helps to tell them apart. The Ethiopian wolf is also a type of jackal. It is found only in the Ethiopian highlands. Each species of jackal has unique adaptations. These adaptations help them survive in their environment. Jackals are an important part of their ecosystems. Jackals play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are scavengers. This means they eat dead animals. They help to keep the environment clean. They prevent the spread of diseases. They also help to control populations of rodents and other small animals. This is important for maintaining a healthy balance in the ecosystem. Without jackals, rodent populations could explode. This would cause problems for other plants and animals. Jackals are also prey for larger predators. Lions, leopards, and hyenas sometimes hunt jackals. This is part of the natural food chain. It helps to keep everything in check. Jackals are very intelligent animals. They are known for their cunning and adaptability. They have strong family groups. They work together to hunt and raise their young. This cooperation is important for their survival. Jackals are very vocal animals. They communicate with each other through a variety of sounds. Each sound has a different meaning. For example, a howl can signal a territorial claim. A bark can warn of danger. They are also opportunistic feeders. This means they will eat almost anything they can find. This includes fruits, insects, and even garbage. This adaptability helps them survive in a variety of habitats. Section 5. On the hunt, the jackal's diet and hunting strategies. Jackals are omnivores. This means they eat both meat and plants. They are opportunistic hunters. Jackals will eat whatever is available. Their diet consists of small mammals. They also eat birds, reptiles, and insects. They will also scavenge for carrion. Carrion is the decaying flesh of dead animals. Jackals are known for their clever hunting strategies. They often hunt in pairs or small groups. They use coordinated tactics to ambush their prey. Sometimes they chase their prey over long distances. They are also very good at catching rodents. They use their keen sense of smell to locate their prey. Then they pounce with lightning speed. Section 6. Challenges to survival, threats to jackals. Despite their adaptability, jackals face numerous threats. These threats are mostly caused by humans. Habitat loss is a major problem. As humans expand their settlements, they destroy jackal habitats. Another threat is hunting and trapping. Jackals are sometimes hunted for their fur. They are also seen as pests by farmers. This is because they sometimes kill livestock. Disease is another challenge. Jackals can catch diseases from domestic dogs. This can devastate jackal populations. It is important to protect jackals from these threats. Section 7. Guardians of the balance, the importance of jackal conservation. Conserving jackals is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. They play a vital role as scavengers. They help to prevent the spread of diseases. They keep rodent populations in check. Losing jackals would have a ripple effect. It would upset the delicate balance of nature. We must protect their habitats. We need to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway in many areas. These efforts include educating people about the importance of jackals. They also involve implementing measures to reduce human-jackal conflict. Section 8. Living in harmony, coexistence between humans and jackals. Humans and jackals can coexist peacefully. It requires understanding and respect for each other's space. Farmers can protect their livestock. They can use secure enclosures. They can dispose of animal carcasses properly. People should avoid feeding jackals. Feeding jackals makes them dependent on humans. This can lead to conflict. It is important to appreciate jackals from a distance. We can all contribute to jackal conservation. We can support conservation organizations. We can spread awareness about the importance of these animals. Section 9, a conclusion, a call for appreciation and protection. Jackals are fascinating and important animals. They are highly adaptable and intelligent creatures. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems. We should appreciate them for their contributions to the natural world. It is our responsibility to protect them from threats. We must strive for peaceful coexistence. By understanding and respecting jackals, we can ensure their survival for generations to come. They are a valuable part of our planet's biodiversity. Gap 3S, Scene 10, Exploring Jackal Habitats. Jackals are incredibly adaptable creatures, thriving in a variety of habitats across the globe. From the arid deserts of Africa to the dense forests of India, these resilient animals have found ways to survive and flourish. In the African savannas, jackals navigate the open plains with ease, their keen senses helping them locate prey and avoid predators. In the mountainous regions, their agility and endurance come into play as they traverse rocky terrains and steep slopes. Moving to the wetlands and riverbanks, jackals can be seen skillfully hunting fish and amphibians, showcasing their versatility in diet and habitat preference. In the temperate forests of Europe and Asia, they blend seamlessly into the undergrowth, using their cunning and stealth to hunt for small mammals and birds. Each habitat presents its own set of challenges and opportunities, and jackals have evolved to make the most of their surroundings. This adaptability not only highlights their intelligence, but also underscores the importance of preserving diverse ecosystems to support their continued survival. By understanding the various environments jackals inhabit, we gain a deeper appreciation for their resilience and the critical role they play in maintaining ecological balance. Protecting their habitats is essential for the conservation of these remarkable creatures and the health of our planet's biodiversity. Join us in exploring the fascinating world of jackals and their diverse homes, and let's work together to ensure these habitats remain vibrant and protected for future generations. Gap 3S, Scene 11, the social structure and family dynamics of jackals. Jackals are not just solitary wanderers. They exhibit complex social structures and family dynamics that are both fascinating and essential for their survival. Typically, jackals form monogamous pairs, meaning they mate for life. This strong bond between a male and female jackal is the foundation of their social structure. Together, they work as a team to hunt, defend their territory, and raise their young. During the mating season, which usually occurs once a year, male jackals engage in courtship behaviors to attract their mates. These behaviors include vocalizations, scent marking, and playful interactions. Once a pair is formed, the female jackal will prepare a den, often in a hidden and secure location, where she will give birth to her pups after a gestation period of about 2 months. The role of both parents is crucial in raising the young. The male jackal takes on the responsibility of providing food for the nursing mother and later for the pups. The female jackal, on the other hand, stays close to the den, nurturing and protecting her offspring. Pups are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their parents for survival during the first few weeks of life. As the pups grow, both parents take part in teaching them essential survival skills. They learn to hunt, recognize dangers, and navigate their environment. This period of learning and bonding is critical for the pup's development and future independence. In some cases, older offspring from previous litters may remain with the family to assist in caring for the new pups, creating a cooperative family unit. Understanding the social structure and family dynamics of jackals provides insight into their resilience and adaptability. It also highlights the importance of preserving their habitats and ensuring they have the space and resources needed to thrive as family units. By appreciating these aspects of jackal life, we can better advocate for their conservation and the protection of their natural environments. Join us as we delve deeper into the intricate world of jackal family life and discover the remarkable ways these animals care for and support each other. Gap 3S, Scene 12, Jackals in Myth and Folklore. Throughout history, jackals have captured the human imagination, finding their way into myths, legends, and folklore across various cultures. These stories not only reflect the jackal's characteristics, but also reveal the deep connections between humans and these enigmatic creatures. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the jackal holds a place of great significance. Anubis, the god of mummification and the afterlife, is often depicted with the head of a jackal. This association stems from the observation of jackals frequenting cemeteries, leading the ancient Egyptians to believe that these animals served as guardians of the dead. Anubis was revered as a protector who guided souls to the afterlife, embodying the jackal's role as a guide and a symbol of transition. Moving to the Indian subcontinent, jackals appear in numerous folktales and moral stories. In the Panchatantra, a collection of ancient Indian fables, jackals are often portrayed as cunning and clever creatures. These stories, rich with moral lessons, highlight the jackal's intelligence and resourcefulness. The tales of the clever jackal outwitting its adversaries have been passed down through generations, emphasizing the value of wit and wisdom in overcoming challenges. In African folklore, the jackal is frequently depicted as a trickster figure. These stories, found across various African cultures, showcase the jackal's cunning nature. The jackal often uses its wits to navigate difficult situations, outsmarting other animals and even humans. These tales serve as a reminder of the jackal's adaptability and its ability to thrive in diverse environments. In some European traditions, jackals are seen as symbols of transformation. Their nocturnal habits and eerie calls have given rise to legends of shape-shifting and supernatural abilities. These stories reflect the mysterious and elusive nature of the jackal, adding to its aura of intrigue and wonder. Exploring the cultural significance of jackals in human societies reveals a rich tapestry of beliefs and stories that span continents and centuries. These myths and legends not only highlight the unique qualities of jackals, but also underscore the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. By understanding the cultural narratives that surround jackals, we can gain a deeper appreciation for these remarkable animals and their place in our collective imagination. Join us as we continue our journey into the world of jackals, uncovering the layers of meaning and symbolism that make them such fascinating creatures. Gap 2S, Scene 13. Scientific research and studies on jackals. In recent years, scientific research on jackals has provided valuable insights into their behavior, ecology, and interactions with the environment. These studies have not only deepened our understanding of these fascinating creatures, but also highlighted the importance of their conservation. One of the key areas of research focuses on the social structure and communication of jackals. Researchers have observed that jackals exhibit complex social behaviors, including cooperative hunting, territorial defense, and vocal communication. Studies have shown that jackals use a variety of vocalizations, such as howls, yips, and growls, to communicate with each other, establish territories, and coordinate group activities. Understanding these communication patterns helps scientists uncover the intricacies of jackal society. Another significant area of research is the role of jackals in the ecosystem. Jackals are known to be opportunistic feeders, adapting their diet based on the availability of food sources. By studying their feeding habits, scientists have discovered that jackals play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. They help control populations of small mammals, insects, and even carrion, contributing to the overall health of their habitats. In addition to behavioral studies, genetic research on jackals has provided fascinating insights into their evolutionary history. By analyzing DNA samples, scientists have been able to trace the genetic relationships between different jackal species and their close relatives, such as wolves and domestic dogs. These genetic studies have revealed the evolutionary adaptations that have allowed jackals to thrive in diverse environments, from savannas to deserts. Ongoing conservation projects are also a vital aspect of scientific research on jackals. Many organizations and researchers are working to protect jackal populations and their habitats. These efforts include habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures, and community engagement programs. By collaborating with local communities, conservationists aim to reduce human-wildlife conflicts and promote coexistence between jackals and humans. One notable project is the study of the golden jackal's expansion into new territories. Researchers are tracking the movements and population dynamics of golden jackals as they spread into regions where they were previously absent. This research helps scientists understand the factors driving their range expansion and the potential ecological impacts. Through ongoing scientific research and conservation initiatives, we continue to uncover the mysteries of jackals and their vital role in the natural world. These studies not only enhance our knowledge but also inspire efforts to protect and preserve these remarkable animals for future generations. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of jackals, exploring the scientific discoveries that shed light on their behaviors, adaptations, and the critical need for their conservation. As we uncover the secrets of jackals through scientific research, it's impossible to ignore the looming threat of climate change on their populations and habitats. In this scene, we will examine how jackals are being affected by a changing climate and the adaptive strategies they employ to survive. Climate change has led to significant shifts in weather patterns, affecting the availability of food and water resources for jackals. These resilient creatures have shown remarkable adaptability in the face of these challenges. For instance, in regions experiencing prolonged droughts, jackals have been observed altering their hunting strategies, targeting more drought-resistant prey and scavenging more frequently to meet their nutritional needs. Temperature fluctuations also play a critical role in jackal behavior and survival. With rising temperatures, jackals may adjust their activity patterns, becoming more nocturnal to avoid the scorching heat of the day. This shift not only helps them conserve energy, but also reduces the risk of heat-related stress and dehydration. Moreover, changing climates can lead to habitat loss and fragmentation, pushing jackals into new territories. As they migrate to find suitable habitats, they may come into increased contact with human populations, leading to potential conflicts. However, jackals have demonstrated an extraordinary ability to adapt to urban environments, often scavenging in cities and towns to find food. This adaptability highlights their resilience but also underscores the need for strategies to manage human-jackal interactions. One of the most concerning impacts of climate change is the potential disruption of breeding cycles. Altered weather patterns can affect the availability of food during critical breeding seasons, impacting the survival rates of jackal pups. Conservationists are closely monitoring these changes, implementing measures to support jackal populations during vulnerable periods. To better understand the full extent of climate change's impact on jackals, researchers are conducting long-term studies and collecting data on their populations across different regions. These studies aim to identify trends and patterns that can inform conservation strategies, ensuring that jackals continue to thrive despite the challenges posed by a changing climate. As we face an uncertain future, the story of the jackal serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience of nature and the importance of adaptive strategies. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting sustainable practices, we can help protect these incredible animals and the ecosystems they inhabit. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of jackals, delving into their adaptive strategies in the face of climate change and the ongoing efforts to ensure their survival. As we navigate the challenges of a changing climate and habitat loss, global conservation efforts have become crucial in ensuring the survival of jackal populations. In this scene, we will provide a comprehensive overview of jackal conservation efforts worldwide, highlighting both success stories and ongoing challenges. Across various regions, dedicated conservation organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to protect jackals and their habitats. In Africa, where jackals are a vital part of the ecosystem, initiatives focus on preserving their natural environments and mitigating human-wildlife conflicts. One notable success story comes from the Serengeti, where conservationists have implemented community-based programs to educate local populations about the importance of jackals. These programs have significantly reduced incidences of poaching and retaliatory killings, fostering a more harmonious coexistence between humans and jackals. In India, where the golden jackal is a common yet often misunderstood species, conservationists are employing innovative strategies to protect these animals. Efforts include habitat restoration projects, such as reforestation and wetland conservation, which provide jackals with essential resources. Additionally, camera trap surveys and tracking studies help monitor jackal populations and gain insights into their behaviors, informing better conservation practices. European countries too are seeing a resurgence of jackal populations, particularly the golden jackal. In countries like Hungary and Croatia, conservationists are closely monitoring the expansion of jackals into new territories. Public awareness campaigns and legal protections have been vital in ensuring that these expanding populations are managed sustainably, preventing conflicts with human communities and livestock. Despite these successes, challenges remain. Habitat fragmentation due to urbanization and agricultural expansion continues to threaten jackal populations worldwide. In many regions, jackals are still hunted or persecuted due to misconceptions and fear. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, combining scientific research, community engagement, and policy advocacy. One of the key components of successful conservation is fostering a sense of appreciation and respect for jackals among local communities. Educational programs and ecotourism initiatives can play a significant role in changing perceptions and generating support for conservation efforts. By highlighting the ecological importance of jackals and their role in maintaining healthy ecosystems, conservationists can inspire greater commitment to protecting these remarkable animals. International collaboration is also essential. Conservationists from different countries are sharing knowledge, resources, and strategies to address common challenges. Conferences, workshops, and joint research projects facilitate the exchange of ideas and foster a united front in the fight to conserve jackals. As we look to the future, the resilience and adaptability of jackals offer hope. With continued support and innovative conservation efforts, we can ensure that jackals thrive for generations to come. By working together, we can protect not only the jackals, but also the rich biodiversity of our planet. Join us in celebrating the successes and addressing the challenges of jackal conservation. Together, we can make a difference and secure a brighter future for these incredible creatures. As we delve deeper into the world of jackals, it's fascinating to see how these intriguing creatures have captured the imagination of storytellers and filmmakers around the globe. Jackals have made their mark in popular media, appearing in movies, books, and documentaries, each portrayal adding to the mystique and allure of these remarkable animals. In the realm of cinema, jackals often appear as cunning and adaptable creatures, reflecting their real-life traits. From animated classics to action-packed thrillers, these animals have been depicted in various lights. One notable example is the animated film The Lion King, where the character of the hyena, often mistaken for a jackal, showcases the cunning and survival instincts reminiscent of real jackals. Although not entirely accurate, these portrayals bring attention to the jackal's unique characteristics. Books, too, have not shied away from featuring jackals. In literature, they are frequently cast as symbols of intelligence and trickery. Classic tales like The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling introduce us to characters inspired by jackals, weaving them into the fabric of timeless stories. These narratives often highlight the jackal's resourcefulness and adaptability, traits that are essential for their survival in the wild. Documentaries provide a more factual and educational perspective, offering viewers an in-depth look at the lives of jackals. Through stunning visuals and expert commentary, these films reveal the daily struggles and triumphs of jackals in their natural habitats. Documentaries such as The Secret Life of Jackals and Wild Dogs of Africa not only educate but also inspire a greater appreciation for these animals and the vital roles they play in their ecosystems. The representation of jackals in popular media has a significant impact on public perception. While some portrayals may lean towards the mythical or exaggerated, they nonetheless spark curiosity and interest in these animals. By bringing jackals into the spotlight, movies, books, and documentaries play a crucial role in raising awareness about their conservation needs and the challenges they face. As we continue to explore and understand the world of jackals, it is essential to encourage accurate and respectful representations in media. By doing so, we can foster a deeper connection between humans and jackals, promoting a harmonious coexistence and a shared commitment to conservation. Through the lens of popular media, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of jackals. Their stories captivate us, their behaviors intrigue us, and their survival inspires us. Let us celebrate their presence in our cultural narratives and work towards a future where jackals and humans thrive together. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of jackals. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights and stories about these incredible creatures. As we reflect on the rich tapestry of life on our planet, the jackal stands out as a key thread in the intricate weave of biodiversity. Biodiversity, the variety of life in all its forms, is essential for the health and stability of ecosystems. Each species, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Jackals, with their adaptability and resourcefulness, are vital players in this balance. They serve as both predators and scavengers, helping to control populations of smaller animals and clean up carrion. By doing so, they prevent the spread of disease and ensure that energy and nutrients are recycled back into the ecosystem. The presence of jackals indicates a healthy, functioning ecosystem. They interact with other species in a web of relationships that supports the overall diversity of life. For example, by preying on rodents and other small mammals, jackals help to regulate these populations, preventing overgrazing and preserving plant life. This, in turn, supports herbivores and other wildlife, creating a ripple effect that benefits the entire community of organisms. However, the loss of biodiversity poses a significant threat to these delicate systems. Habitat destruction, climate change, and human activities are leading to declines in many species, including jackals. When one species disappears, it can set off a chain reaction that disrupts the balance of the ecosystem, affecting countless other forms of life. Conserving jackals and their habitats is not just about protecting a single species. It's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Healthy ecosystems provide essential services such as clean air and water, fertile soil, and pollination of crops. By safeguarding biodiversity, we ensure the resilience of these systems in the face of environmental changes. As we strive to protect and conserve jackals, we must also recognize the broader importance of biodiversity. Each species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has a role to play. Together, they create a world that is rich, vibrant, and full of life. Let us embrace our responsibility as stewards of the earth, working to protect the incredible diversity of life that surrounds us. By doing so, we honor the jackal and all the creatures that share our planet, ensuring a future where nature thrives and the balance of life is maintained. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of jackals. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights and stories about these incredible creatures. As we conclude our exploration into the world of jackals, it becomes clear that our relationship with these remarkable creatures is crucial. Coexistence between humans and jackals is not just a possibility, it is a necessity for maintaining the health of our ecosystems. So, what can each of us do to protect jackals and ensure their survival? Here are a few steps individuals can take. 1. Share knowledge about the importance of jackals in ecosystems. Use social media, community talks, and educational programs to inform others about their role and the threats they face. 1. Contribute to organizations dedicated to wildlife conservation. These groups work tirelessly to protect habitats, conduct research, and implement conservation strategies. 1. Advocate for sustainable land use and agricultural practices that minimize habitat destruction. Support policies that protect natural areas and promote biodiversity. 1. Implement measures such as secure livestock enclosures and community-based monitoring to reduce conflicts between humans and jackals. Encourage coexistence strategies that benefit both wildlife and local communities. 1. Get involved in citizen science projects that track jackal populations and behaviors. Your observations can provide valuable data for researchers and conservationists. 1. Support laws and regulations that protect wildlife and their habitats. Encourage policymakers to prioritize biodiversity and environmental health in their decisions. 1. Reduce your ecological footprint by making sustainable choices in your daily life. Recycle, reduce waste, and support eco-friendly products and practices. By taking these steps, we can create a world where jackals and humans thrive together. Our actions, no matter how small, contribute to a larger movement towards conservation and coexistence. Let us embrace our role as guardians of the natural world, ensuring that jackals and all wildlife have a future where they can flourish. Together, we can protect the intricate web of life that sustains us and build a harmonious relationship with the incredible creatures that share our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of jackals. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights and stories about these incredible creatures.